How to create this type of animation in Canva. You are going to select video, select landscape, video landscape. Go to your elements, click on elements, search for urban streets. Urban streets, URBAN streets. There are lots of them. Under graphics, click on see all to see as many as possible. There are lots of them here. Just select any one of your choice. I'm going to use this one. Adjust this tree to fit the template. Adjust it to cover the template. And also search for working. Just type working. There is graphic, there is video, there is photo. Click on graphic, click on see all on graphics. Go through them and pick any one of your choice. I'm going to pick this. Adjust your animated, adjust it to suit you, to the size you want. Take it to this end. Highlight the animation. In your Canva, you click on animate. Highlight the animation, come over here to this upper side, click on animate. Come to your left hand side, click on create animation. Before we move further, if you have not watched how Canva tutorials for beginner, check this video's description. You are going to see the link to step-by-step tutorials on how to create designs with Canva, how to create graphic designs with Canva. Let's dive in. Also, if you found this video useful, like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thank you. I'm going to hold my animation, drag it to the right hand side. This is it, and the animation is ready. We are not yet done. We are going to come back to this left hand side. Under this original, click here, change the option to steady, and our animation is ready. In case you encounter any problem or you made any mistake and you want to clear it, simply come up here and click on this undo arrow and it will be cleared and you can redo it again. If you want to increase your video duration, simply come down here, highlight your video, come up here under this icon, click here. If you can drag this line forward to increase the video duration, you can drag it backward. As you can see, I've dragged it forward and it's showing us 10 seconds. I want to take it backward, it's showing us, I want to take it to 5.5 seconds. This is how to create this kind of animation in Canva. It is very simple and easy. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment under this video so that YouTube can push out this video to other people that need this kind of information.